And then a book na make sure no. And the title near The Sense of My Best Friend. Book the title yeah, The Sense of My Best Friend. Oh na be hu oba be sia baby boy bimba. Oh na be hu oba be sia. O sia so ya celebrity. Anthony waiter. Edi ni twem. Oh na be hu celebrity o say you tough for your oba be sia. O say ni waiter ye gay. Into a permanent waiter no. Ni waiter area ni 100 million. And into a permanent waiter no. And so na waiter no edi ni twem eta free ni twem eni ni ko yi nyin se nyia e ka ho hey me book ni de be tough me book ra nya sa afra me better radio so I pray public sympathy ni nyama nyama there make sure ni nyia wo book rim now kan ya what ya say ai o na be who say yes celebrate ya only 21 years 22 years gay boy awo ai it will watch it out very soon. Me so me show me book. A title ne The Sense of My Best Friend. Na munya bubenya the shock of my life. Or how that we say character be brave and for portray and as suban be brave and for portray that sana mote no. Enya sa ena mote. The Sense of My Best Friend. Coming out soon. Watch out. That's all.
Too rude. Minim so wenwa. And I mean sure so what it. Nti obey the amount for our church questions say bibisa o de ade. Nye easy kura. Nti be sro ba me nko debit now.
Okay.
What we say? Adan enkrofo frefro Madam 1990.
I don't know. Really? Your friend me 90.
Aye.
Maybe I try name. But once upon a time, yet Madam Mo could be. Yes, ma, maybe she red shoe the coast for. And maybe I mean, me the half and I made a draw. But my auntie, say a friend Madam 90.
When auntie
19 in the auntie.
And then one was social media no so am for chawada power one.
Obia and trammy at that power, Obia come for me.
Obia come for.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's meaning say a different timeline. I just obey mommy.
Okay. Your best friend really pay a wafan echi akoye suma de bia say aha na de bia obe complain kire wa de bia wo deny kire ne say ni ade a wo kan enye no kure na wo sufa mu no mu ni ade
sa ya kan e minti aso
me so wo na wo best friend atna
my best friend I member so I don't get it
and your bia ya ye nua be ma wa best friend
my best friend yeah member
Debbie or best friend
no, you can't tell me who my best friend is.
Okay, what the my main kind. Be a who saw video in na nche. No no person.
Video be ayo.
Who? Your best friend na Tornado. Your former best friend. Your former best friend. Okay.
Let's put that right.
Okay, Matthias. For now, man your best friend.
They've always been my best friend.
Okay. And some your abeke can say your friends say as a wedding in Boniache. Oh, just the call Casanina. Ama social media ye deja. Say even at across what be book.
Okay.
The book the title na me refi kakra. It is social media obo person be finding out. Say e de ba de na odi aye tornado. Na tornado abra wo de no e de ba de pa na odi ye no a ama sisi amontem no aye basasa.
I don't know what you're talking about. Say wuni ma ken. It's like you have some gist be so gist me.
There be yeah omo bisa say why say we need tornado montem na aye basasa.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's what I'm saying. Is wouldn't be a catch me na me.
But okay, more you're nice. We need tornado you're nice.
For what me I know, yes. I'm nice with everybody. Me shiawa me you okay. Me who wa and me who. But the one thing about me say, me we are done for when we meet. But when we are not together, you are not my friend. My friend is who I meet. And to me, we fear. Oh, my many fear near madam for. Yeah, I mean, if you na my Bible and I say, I mean, everybody here is my friend. Anybody wants to take picture with me? Yes. Everybody wants to do content with me? Yes. Do content with me? Yes. Anybody wants us to go and see somewhere? If I have the time to go and see somewhere, I will. But once I am out of here, I don't owe you anything, and I don't have to explain myself to you. That has been my life. That denina obienim. Ain't no upa ma brabo na wan tiasia. Me hu be ye wehi. Me hu ye wehi susu dia. The opposite de me obetimi dia I don't care. Because I am not going to change just to suit somebody. So they are all kind. Because everybody who will call themselves my friend be animal says sana metie. Who frame me at me in fact by me shiawa me no ye okay. Who hear me baby na say mate me about me back. So me I don't like to owe people favors.
What happened between you and Nana?
Nothing. I don't think we have any beef or problem.
Bibia cry Simon.
No, to me the I feel everything is fine.
But who nache? Mo frame mo wache
baba. Because everything you will tell me, you ask me no. The American. I can't cast for. I'm complaining.
So, wobre.
Say your problem, and I say, baby, baby, and I didn't complain.
A ya ofeno.
The only people I miss are my children. And they are because they are vulnerable. Many are unbebre. So I have to miss them. But when you're penny full grown and adults, I'm like, you are my friend. Do I miss you? Do I call you? I only miss you when I need you. And I said, Fifi, I need to come on your show. Hey, that's me.
So fake life, say yeah, you can say where will be paying?
Depending on what you determine as fake life.
Say your mass, say why we need to ya mo keke the way our mo portray omo ho say me bia me do so na akoma mo do movement din ya papa bi o say
me I'm a Capricorn. Say ye do wa na ye do. Ye ndo so I am fake. I will tell you straight away. That mean do I cannot wait. Mean to me my mama tell me fa hunde so me pay. So if you call that fake there, then I don't know what it is, because me sometimes I feel like me in Gary the whole day I want to be in my bed. I should be able to do that. Sometimes I feel like maybe I may answer phone calls the whole day. I should be allowed to do that. I don't want the situation whereby because we are Madame Fontina and some Misora na Panamico Gary because of you. I mean, person me drive and I what me. Every so na me near her. Every so me didn't so be go me home. I don't want to go through all sorts of troubles because of somebody. Because I have used the word that I am Madame Fontino. No. The only people I'll make such sacrifices for are the kids that are vulnerable. No more money into age be grandpa. No, I don't care anymore. I have to take care of myself. I have to feel happy. I have to always vibrate high. I have to be in a positive energy. I have to I want to be able to do that. I don't want to think say Madam for way to me say. That's who I am. And obia onimi ananti achebia nim say sahana metie. And they accept it. I have friends in the States, they will call me if I don't pick. They don't have any trouble. When I call them, we talk. We don't go whining. And I'm a friend, and I'm far, and because we are Mzbel. Oh no. So if you don't know that, now now complaining, I'll catch you off quickly.
The young now for almost the almost best show.
If you do that, I will explain to you. If you do that again, I'll catch you off. Uba me fear now who me send in a compound. Now me see me new you have to accept it. If you are seeing me feeling God, you know me see me new you have to accept me new.
Who so
I don't know what you are saying, but if I am there, you are seeing me, I'm seeing you, I say I'm not there, you have to accept that I am not there. Maybe your brain is not working right. It's making you feel like you are seeing me. I want you to accept that. So that's just who I am. But people come and they act like, and to see what I do is that my brother no be he made me accept bibia who say me the moment you make that you will say, hey, when we be social media, oh yes, I know, I'll catch you off. When me are down for net, now we try so be prove you watch them. The moment you try to prove yourself, that moment I'll catch you off. But when me are down for now, when me are down for normal, without telling me, say, hey, media the uncle for the eye will pay me who the uncle for betray, media man, ban some mayor south. Can I some the moment you do that, I'll cut you off.
It's not just a oh father for who you are come the don't
yeah, it has to be neutral. When I'm not ready to talk to you, you have to understand. Don't make it because you are my friends and I have to sacrifice my life for you. What the fuck?
Hey.
Like, I'm sorry. But you have to understand. I am a BBB. And me do me BBB, you know, because my BBB makes me very comfortable. So if you come into my life and you want to change my BBB, you know, I will cut you off without any excuse, without any apology, and I don't care any news you put out there about me. I don't care, because I enjoy my BBB. I know that I am BBB. Me pay. Because it makes me comfortable. Sometimes I just want to stay in my bed and drink champagne and get drunk and then look at people's foolishness on social media. And because you are my friend, number send me your phone, so not at the same time I have to give you attention. I want to drink my champagne. If I sip one, I have to talk to you one. I mean, like, oh yes, I will have me. So you have to accept. Say na metie. Manfa ukola, because I don't want to. You have to understand. Otherwise, don't try to be my friend. I don't want friends. And every Capricorn watching me right now understands that that's how we are. I can't change it. And even if I can change it, I don't want to change it because it makes me feel comfortable and happy. So if you can't deal with it and you want to go and be the gongong bita, I don't care. Be the gongong bita, be employed by people, say anything you want to say. So long as I am comfortable, I have my sound and peace of mind, I am fine. Intimidate me only me down for the air. And so say you can't have me all the time. So I don't like favors.
Sarah, that's any message we see says the way are now more 3 best friends, you know, the way are more role and I and fair pan and say kunya and come up back. I can be
and you know manage. And the social media some but my manage. Time I buy But time everybody has to understand that I want to be alone. I want to be at my home. I don't want to be all over the place. I don't want to go to any pub and go and sit down and show people that I'm Mzbel have arrived. I just want to be at home. I just want to get drunk at home. I just want to do everything at home. And sometimes I just want to do it alone. I have people staying with me. They can tell you, say, I bet me I do bed 2 days, 3 days. Now you're and to me, come from my bedroom to the living room and any distance, yeah. So if you want to be my friend, you have to understand. You have to accept it. If you can't accept it, and because of that, or friend who here would now or friend now father by you where wine here. Me explaining me who chill. I'll just cut you off. And in the area.
Yes, now where you more your friend said your pub honomo now only wait to be quiet.
Then. What is wrong with it?
Bibisa.
But incident to me no be come out. It makes me feel good. It makes me happy. It gives me peace of mind. It makes me happy. So then, if it doesn't make you happy and you are upset about it, you are not the right person to be around me. Me pobi say to akra na me pe and I missing me the takra ma be ra to anu de bia na say we madam fo now so dumb na say affects you in a bad mood, then you can't be my friend. Then if you think I'm weird, then you have to stay away from me. I have to be able to be with anybody I want to be with. It is a many of you call out on me pub more, whatever. So you clean now, so you wait out, so I don't know, manage you or say then you. It is my space, it is my choice. If the person doesn't have anything wrong with it or not, mean share obia found this way and kumobia and say I'm a boo and if it doesn't cost
why say movie say or no in the warrior?
It doesn't matter.
I
don't know who exactly they are saying. But then, whatever it is, if it makes me happy, it shouldn't make you upset. If it makes me happy, it shouldn't make you upset. So if I am okay with it, everybody who claims that they are my friend or family, it should be okay with you. If I say me watch my ear or no and or film or mommy feeling me I mean see that
good.
Everybody around me must accept. If you can't accept and you think it's wrong and you want to run your mouth about it, that is your problem. But it makes me happy. I am not going to change just to make you feel okay. So if that is it, that's what it is. It is what it is. Like my girl said. Me is sorry. to please anybody. I have done that in the past.
And then see we.
No, I'm very, 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 very happy. I have my peace of mind. I can do anything I want to do, anytime. Me damn pemuna me dream it. Mpesa me away pa na ba. Mpesa me call pa na me call. So why bring people who doesn't think say we away are wrong? No. I won't.
Debia, I say enko for any sound too much. Why is it that?
I'm special. I'm one of a kind. I'm a chosen one.
Are you doing something wrong, Ebia Unimana?
Well, if I'm doing something wrong, I mean, man, but anytime they want to come my personal business. And on you be a one panel or you say, and only where you say that's my personal business. So my be not we are uncomfortable. You have to quit with me. You don't have to put up with it to the point where you want to do what? Then you are a fool. If I am hurting you, now if he said, I mean, yeah, one pa, who I know at me because that's what I do. Me never yard down for sit down. Opa see abron sama me ofum back I will tell you that what from me. So me share never hamia. Whatever you have given me, if I have to give it back to you, I'll give it back to you and have my peace. But if you put up with it, and then like you say, I'll put up with it. So now I'm ready to talk. And I like it. What the fuck? That's my personal business. I like it. I ube son obenyin sen ube a dream bebre wonyin sen na wo hwe na de nim gwase bebra ubetimi akwa akoyi egu batamanyi engu na mawo ato bedi e de ato abontin. It means I am proud, I am happy about it. So if you have a problem with me, talk about the problem you have with me. But me, whatever you think is a secret, it's not a secret to me because it makes me happy. It makes me comfortable. It gives me peace of mind. It makes me vibrate high. And that's just about it.
I was Mzbel, baby.
I am so shocked, say the way and Crawford me akasa say asem bi ha ho ko na e bi so asem bi amenka. But you need to let people know. See, the only way you can prosper in this life is by doing the things that makes you happy. If you are always worried about what people will say, I swear to God, you will never be happy. And if you are not happy, and only near a spiritual community, someone can say you can't vibrate high. If you can't vibrate high, you can't be in alignment of the thing with the things you want. What you want your bronze be open, or car be open, or a juma be open. Now, so you are afraid of what people will say. So the step you have to take, you can't take it because you're always trying to please people. I mean, I won't do that too. I won't please you. No, I'll let you know that this is what it is. My face is ugly, my buttock is black, my ear is crooked. If you like it, you say you like it, you come, I entertain you. Then later you say, I don't like it, but she's my friend. Well, that's your problem. You came and you saw that this is, and you don't like it, but you're still there. Is that my problem? Me, I'm living my life, I'm happy. You are following, you are not happy. And you drop at you think that if you say this, then I will stop living my life. No, I'll live my life more. I am not going to change for anybody. I have done that from family to friends to whoever. I have done that. To even politics, I have done that. It's all about me now. I'm very, very selfish now. And there's nothing wrong with that. If there's something wrong with it, court be frame, police be frame. But police in frame now, court in frame dia. Ajamile kutuni de metu de bia. And phobia. And I'm here choba owner, of course. People are supposed to own chobas. Yeah, only choba one do a choba man. People are supposed to own choba na choba own a work bawe na. Somebody is supposed to own a choba and bawe. And I volunteer. I've heard stuff like that. I volunteer to be a choba owner in bawe because somebody has to do that job. Why is that a problem to you that you are the owner of the whole of East Legon? Why is that a problem to you? Why do you feel say it is necessary for you to talk about it? Because you think say talking about it will bring it down. But there are people in Bawe who also want a celebrity to open a choba and they appreciate it. So it won't change how they feel. Because the oye be me and I'm Mzbel. We be me and I'm 2 hours me and I'm 16 years, me and I'm 2 yopo, me and I'm 2 humana eating And for that matter, people want to come and eat at my choba. And to work on the crampoa, and me choba. Because it's a sin. It won't change anything. People are worried. You know, you see, yeah, expose you. Why expose you then? It's something I'm doing that I'm happy with it. So me person will be who da. There are things in my mind that nobody knows. That no matter how hard you try, you will never know. But no matter the moment that one person knows, 2 people know, 3 people know, I mean, come on, it's not a secret. It's because I want everybody to know, because I'm comfortable with it, and because I want to be consistent with it. Means a son. So it's just what it is.
I was here, Mzbel Akasa. Onya na dwe so obese samo bia oso wa ye pen fa den ko se hwe
There be o
it is see an there. It's all about her.
What are not
and either say o be fan sa ana say o be twon ho o have any peace
o twon na be so o ka bibia no aka kan no so is allowed.
Oh Lord, who the enemies to shame make you over there.
Full time.
Over there.
Jimmy Ross.
Blood against with the play on the street with the do things you can't imagine. But boys never play with a high grade. But boys never give up on streets. Depression, calorie, as we keep grinding, chasing the mullah. You don't see how when I take danger. Never judge my hustle with the bad mind. Let me say I was more street boy, I be good boy turn bad. Never turn your back on me if you see me in danger. This be their reality, but nobody say I get a choice. Living there, get to kind of life, we nobody say we have a choice. Oh Lord, who the enemies to shame, make you over there, over there. Make you never ever judge me, brother man. Make you never ever judge me, brother man. You know be God, you know be God, you know be God. You know be God, you know be God, you know be God.